Hello everyone, it's me Aina. So today is December 17. So probably this vlog will post late but it's still an update for you guys. So today is launching for Mr. and Miss JES 2026. So come and watch. Let's support Janus. So guys, after nilang magpakilalang lahat, meron silang hinandang performance.
Ating masasaksiyan ang iandang production number ng ating mga kandidato-kandidata ng Mr. and Miss JES. Pasalubungan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan.
After that guys, may iba't iba pa silang performance na hinanda. And lahat naman sila ay magagaling. And sana guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa mini vlog na to, just an update for Janus. So guys, let's support Janus. Please help Janus to get more tickets. So, ticket only costs 10 pesos. Thank you everyone. Bye!